You searched how to buy shares of Xior Student Housing NV, a company focused on student accommodation listed on Euronext under the ticker XIOR.BR. This video is educational and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and we will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before buying. Use the platform search box and type the ticker XIOR.BR to find the correct listing. Make sure you select the Euronext listing for Xior Student Housing NV. On the stock page, review the company overview and the price chart to confirm basic details like market and listing. Verify the name and the XIOR.BR ticker to ensure this is the right asset. Press invest or buy, enter the amount you want to invest, then carefully review and confirm the order. If the market is closed, the order may execute when trading reopens, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. After execution, your position will appear in the portfolio view where you can monitor it. A link to eToro is in the description if you want to explore the example platform.